Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, coming to you from Borla Commerce Park.
The Hot Wheels car. I guarantee you, if you were like me, you grew up with these, and this is how you got your love for the automobile. You saw the great paint jobs, the sparkle paint, the really cool designs, and you dreamed about cars since then, and that's why you're watching Motorhead Garage right now. Well, guess what? Now you have your dream car, and you want to keep it looking new? Who better than Hot Wheels to keep your love for cars alive? Because Hot Wheels has teamed up with Americana Pro to bring you Hot Wheels Americana Series premium car care products to make your car look great and to keep it protected and looking great for years to come. Now, the Hot Wheels name is on the package, so I know what you're thinking, but this is not a gimmick. This is the real deal. This is professional grade stuff. These are professional grade products that are being used by the pros and sold by the pros. Now, there are tons of car care products out there, but Hot Wheels Premium Car Care keeps it simple. Every single bottle is 20 ounces, and every product is super easy to apply. Now, on the exterior, you want to start with the wash and wax, just a few ounces of that. It's blended at the molecular level, which is really cool because then it won't separate out when it sits on your shelf. It's actually homogeneous. It won't settle out, won't break apart. It has a really rich lather when you use it, really good lubricity, and it's pH balanced, so it's safe for your paint. I know a lot of people want to know if a product is safe. This definitely is. The all-wheel cleaner, as you move down the line here, this is for painted and powder-coated wheels. It's a clear liquid. Again, no acid, no dyes, no scent, and none of these products uses any kind of chemically induced foam. It's a professional grade foam tip sprayer which oxygenates the product and makes it nice and foamy and gets your car clean. The Pro Tire Cleaner doesn't have any bleach in it, just like the other products. It's safe to use. It will not dry out your tires. It'll make the black sidewalls black. It'll make the white letters white, and that's all you need to know about that. The Pro Tire Finish is a water-based silicone coating. It allows you to dial in your shine. Now, the more layers you lay down, the greater the shine. So if you want it to look like a new tire and just nice and black, well, you can do that. But you can also get it even shinier and shinier. If you like that slick look, if you like the shiny look on your tires, you can do that too. Any level of shine, just dial in your shine and you can have it with the Pro Tire Finish. And this is a product you're really going to love. This is called the Epic Shine. It's a synthetic polymer coating and detailer. You just mist it on and wipe it in. You can even use it as a clay bar lubricant, actually. Again, no dyes. It will not stain your paint. It protects against dirt, pollen, even UV rays. And after you use it, dirt and pollen will blow right off. Rain will roll right off, and bugs will not stick to your car. It works from anything from a flat black to a shiny red. And as they say, Epic Shine anytime. Now, there is a Father's Day promotion from our friends at Hot Wheels Premium Car Care Products. For just $49.99, you'll get one bottle of the Epic Shine, one trim cleaner, and the Pro Tire Finish in a Hot Wheels bucket with a lid. And if you order now, you get 2 microfiber towels, an applicator, and some other sample packs along with it. Hot Wheels Premium Car Care Products, not just for the exterior, they've also got a lot of great interior products too. Just look for Hot Wheels Premium Car Care Products at a car show near you or at an NHRA drag race where you can find it on the side of Lex June's Top Fuel Dragster. You can also find distributors and retailers online, so go click away at Americana Pro/Hot Wheels. This Chevy Silverado truck looks great on the top and it looks fantastic on the bottom. Now, what if I told you that this truck is 12 years old and for its entire lifetime, it's been pounding around here in the salt and the ice of New Hampshire. But you don't have to listen to me talking about New Hampshire oil. Listen to one of the customers who's been coming here for years.
I found this one nice and clean, want to keep it like this, and this is a New England truck right from beginning. And I knew this was a place to take it, to start it on this program and keep it going. Happen to work for the state of New Hampshire. We plow and salt the roads. I don't have to do the brine stuff myself because I'm in the secondary roads, but you see it on the highways and stuff when they got to put in the solution. And when you get running your trucks over it and stuff, that actually gets in the little spots a little bit more than your crunchy salt will, so to speak. We just decided to start oiling our trucks. And we were laying on the ground doing it ourselves, and Joe's set up in Deering quite a long time ago in his barn and had the lift and everything. And I said, well, it's a lot better than laying on the ground. And then he just kept moving up from there and got better and better oil, and it's incredible. It's good stuff, just lasts. And we actually sold some rigs that Joe had oiled for us in the past, and the people were amazed, no rust on it, you know, and they were New England trucks, and it works, stuff works. They go right to every little nook and cranny, do a good job with it, and nice facility. I don't know, it's just great. It's top-notch service all the way around.
We will return with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings coming right up.